In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background of a page on your Wix website. Whether you're aiming to freshen up your site with a new look or simply want to feature some eye-catching visuals, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account and open your Wix website editor. This is your control room where all the magic happens. Once you're inside the editor, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find the Site Design option. Go ahead and click on it. This section allows you to make design and aesthetic changes to your website with ease. After you've selected Site Design, the next step is to click on Page Background. This option will open up the various possibilities for customizing the look and feel of your page's background. You're in control here, and you can select from multiple options: a solid color, an image, or even a video. Each choice comes with its unique appeal depending on the vibe you want your site to convey. For simplicity, let's say we choose the color option today. This is a great starting point, especially if you're looking for a quick design tweak. Once you select the color option, a palette will appear offering a range of colors. Browse through these and select the one that best aligns with your brand or desired look. If you're unsure, think about what color complements the existing elements on your website for a cohesive look. As soon as you choose a color, you'll notice that the background of your page will change immediately. This instant preview feature is super handy. It allows you to see exactly how each color looks, helping you decide if it's the right fit without any guesswork. If you're pleased with the new background color and want to keep that consistent across other pages on your site, you can choose to apply it site-wide. Just select the option to apply to other pages and you'll be prompted to either apply it to all pages or just specific ones. This feature is excellent for maintaining a unified style throughout your website. That's it. With these steps, you've now successfully changed the background of your Wix website page. Remember, a well-chosen background can set the tone and reinforce the purpose of your site. Have fun experimenting with different colors, images, or videos until you find the perfect fit. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.